Myself, Dr. Umashankar Mahanti, President, the Indian Association of Physiotherapists. Indeed, today is a great day for the physiotherapy profession and professionals across the world. It's a World Physiotherapy Day, September of 8th. We are celebrating this occasion across the world and also nearly at 200 places in our country, in India. Physiotherapist today is one independent healthcare profession committed to give better prevention, promotion and rehabilitation to make the society more fit. In present era, many people, they have got low back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain. At the same time, many are struggling their life with conditions like diabetes and obesity. The physiotherapists are professionals, experts in the exercise science, who can in fact prevent a lot of problems to make the society more fit. And this year's the theme for World Physiotherapy Day is Fit to Take Part. And our prime aim and objective is to give our best of professional services to make every person normal and fit so that they can give the best of their services in their profession to the society at large. And this celebration in Coimbatore is conducted in collaboration of IAP Coimbatore with the Physiotherapy Doctors Association of Coimbatore, and it is being held at PPG College of Physiotherapy and its campus. With this, we are going to visit so many children who are suffering with disability. We are going to interact with them. We are also going to visit the paraplegic people, the spinal cord injury, who have the problems. We are going to interact with them. We are going to have fruit distribution ceremony for them. And also, as our commitment